my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Daycare. If today's your first day on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. You are so welcome to this faceless edition. I am so sorry. I am going through some technical problems and I'm unable to resolve it as we speak. But I promise by next week we should have this sorted out for you. Okay? And as you know, before we go into the lesson for today, okay, I would like to quickly give you the answer to the riddle from 2 weeks ago when I said to you that what enters into an open market and everything gets scattered. I got a lot of answers. Some say some wild animals and whatnot, but actually the answer is rain. When it starts raining in an open market, okay, everyone starts running around to protect their goods and whatnot. So that is what that answer is, rain. Okay, before we go into the lesson of today, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language. So on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta o, Oya o, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Aku dédé àsìkò ní gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare. Tí ẹ bá rántí ní bí fọ́nrán bí méjì sẹ́yìn, ní bí ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sẹ́yìn, mo sọ nípa àlọ́ àpamọ̀. Mo sì fún yín ní iṣẹ́ àmúrelé kan. Mo ní pé kí ẹ fún mi ní èsì ẹ̀ tí ó bá di ọ̀sẹ̀ tí a wà nínú ẹ̀ yìí. Mo gba àwọn èsì kan. Àwọn kan sọ pé ẹranko búburú ni. Àwọn kan sọ pé bóyá ọlọ́pàá, bóyá àwọn ológun, bóyá ogun ló wọ̀lú. Ọ̀bẹ yẹ kọ́ o. Rárá, kò kí ń ṣe èsì ẹ̀ yẹn. Òjò òun ni èsì ẹ̀. Tí òjò bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú ọjà, oníkálukú á máa sá kìtìkìtì láti dáàbò bo ọjà wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, so òjò òun ló ń wọnú ọjà tí ọjà fi ń túká. Ó dá fún títọ̀sẹ̀ yìí, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀. Èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì òun ni màá máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys. So for today, we're going to continue with our riddles, okay? So as you know, when I say hello, you will say hello, okay? So let's get going, okay? Hello, hello. Yàrá kótópó kìkì ẹ̀gún. So a small room, a really small room with turns. What is it? What is the answer? A small room with turns. What do you think the answer is? And you know what you'll be saying to say the answer. Emi mo, and then I'll tell you Kinyo, and then you will tell me the answer. So a small room with turns. Yàrá kótópó kìkì ẹ̀gún. Okay, so the answer is mouth. Your mouth is so small, but it can do a lot of damage. Okay, so another one coming your way. Hello, 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 hello. Òrìṣà bàbá lọ́kàn láíláí. Òrìṣà bàbá lọ́kàn láíláí. Ibikíbi ní bá ní lọ ta ní mọ́ o. So that means that there is an idol that goes everywhere with you. This idol is always going everywhere with you. And you cannot depart from it. Okay? What is the answer? It goes everywhere with you. Tani mo, emi mo, kini o, òjìji ara ẹni ni o, òjìji, your shadow. The shadow goes everywhere with you and you cannot depart from it. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there for this week. Okay, and then next week, hopefully when everything is up and running, we can get back on our videos. Okay, all right, as you know, we'll be saying our Odabo together on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta Oya Odabo. Thank you very much. Eshun.